Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2021 Volvo XC90 T6 Inscription. This is in Onyx black metallic with a beautiful charcoal Napa leather interior. This black and chrome is such a cool classic statement on these XC90s, as are those beautiful 21-inch wheels. That's a nice upgrade. This has the climate package, so you get heated seats in the back, in the front, the Napa leather in the front as part of the Inscription trim level also means that the front seats are cooled. You have a beautiful heated leather wrapped steering wheel. This has keyless entry. It's a 7-seat SUV. Right now I have the third row folded flat, so you'll be able to see how much space is there. Just a ton of room. And all of that plastic are the rubber mats, so you get the protection package with this one. Those rubber mats snap into place and fit like a glove, and they clean up really, really well. Distinct LED taillights. This also has a center integrated booster seat. And part of the Inscription trim level is window shades in the back and beautiful tailored armrests and dashboard. You'll see the seats here. I have the booster popped up so you can see, and it will fold flat if you don't need it. The seat controls, seat heat controls are there, and there's a couple who can't really see in the sun. Plugs for your phone. There's memory seating here for 3. And with the Inscription seats here, you'll see this has the seat extension option as well. The IntelliSafe system is a radar-based system that is here. That's keeping all of the lane keeping aid and city safety collision avoidance, blind spot information system. That's where the road sign information, that all comes from there. This is your main screen, your safety features all the way to the right. You'll find your backup camera, and you'll see that once you shift into reverse as well. It's all set up for Sirius XM. Wireless phone charging in the front. That's a standard with the 2021 cup holders. You can plug in on the right for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, making your giant touchscreen a big version of your phone, which is great. All right, well, this is stock number 219170. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need, and we're on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. So we'd love to see you, for you to come get your car. This is an exceptional XC90. We'll see you soon. Thanks a lot from Portland Volvo.